This Excel for Beginners course shows you step by step how to easily and quickly use Excel. When you launch a new project in Excel, you'll see various elements in the program window. Understanding some of the important elements here will help you work smoothly with your Excel projects. The first element is the title bar. This displays the name of your Excel project. When you create a new project, it will be named Book 1, Book 2, Book 3, and so on by default. When you click on it, you can rename the project and save it to your preferred location. The next element we want to look at is the ribbon tabs. When you click on each one, you're given detailed menu options. Then we have the ribbon area, where you can perform specific tasks using the available features, commands, and options. Then we have the File tab, where you can find file-related commands like save, open, print, and export, among others. Then we have the status bar. By default, it is ready. You can right-click on it and add other status information. For example, you can add sheet number. Sheet information will be displayed at the bottom of the page. When you add a new sheet, it will show the addition. That's all for the main areas of the Excel windows. Go through the video again to refresh your understanding of the topic. Then open Excel and try out what you've learned. See you in the following video.
Simply click the link below to learn more.